Hey guys, today I'll be making lamb chops in the Instant Pot. So let's get started. So what we'll be using today are 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, half an onion sliced, a few tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 8 pieces of lamb chops, and for the spices, I'll be using about 1 teaspoon of Clubhouse Montreal steak spice. So let's get started. So first we'll mix the spices. And the lemon juice with the yogurt. Then you can keep it aside. Then we are going to set our Instant Pot onto saute mode, and we will add our oil. Once the oil is heated, add the onions and fry it for a few seconds. Then place your lamb chops into the Instant Pot. Fry each side for about 2 minutes. Then turn off the Instant Pot and add your yogurt mixture. Make sure to spread it evenly. Then you can add a little bit of water. Then place the lid on and make sure to set the valve to sealing. Select the manual option and set the timer to 3 minutes. Once the 3 minutes are up, turn your Instant Pot off and release the pressure by doing a quick release. Make sure not to burn your finger. Once the valve has dropped, you can open the lid. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe and share my video.